Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone for having me. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Friska Prima Nanda. I'm the second author of this paper, and I'm going to present our news article titled "The Concept of a Digital Outpatient Service for Internal Medicine to Improve Public Trust in Palembang Muhammad Hussein General Hospital." Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the first introductions. One of the installations that support IT development is an outpatient installation that provides digital service to facilitate patients in obtaining information and reservation on outpatient visit at Muhammad Hussein General Hospital in Palembang. However, in this outpatient digital service, the lack of trust in patient due to the digital service does not yet have patient data informations. Only registration confirmations must be in the form of offline and still have to queue for tickets. Doctor practice schedule is not timely and approval hour of doctor's practice. Here literature review. There are a lot of literature review that I make reference, and this is a summary data about public service and concept development of public trust. Among others are Pon Demar Minta, Lovelock, C, Toha, and then the last Hicks are. An indicator of public trust. Variable privacy. Use a secure password and username. Second, authentications. Use only the data that is needed. Third, data provided by user is stored in digital servers securely. And then use field safe about their personal information. And the last one, data provided for service is used only for the intended reasons. Author, Belanger and Carter, and Darius Anthony. Transparency. 1. And the first form in digital service can be submitted quickly. Second, digital service can be accessed and available whenever needed. Third, digital service can operate properly since it was formalized. And then digital service site run while using the available browse. And the last one, digital service page and download or loaded quickly. Author, Young and Wealth and Darius Anthony. Trust, providing accurate information, and then providing relevant information, providing timely and timely information, and then provide information is an appropriate format. And the last one, interact and or data field information in this digital service is sessions. Author, Hex, and Darius Anthony. And the last, participant, seat samples, community contributions, promotions, and then help desk. Outdoor, Moore, and Darius Anthony. The 5 variable public trust concept to increase the public trust in a system as follows. 1. Transparency. 2. Trust. 3. Privacy and security, and then participations. These are results and discussions on privacy and security, transparency, trust, and participants. There are VPS want not to complete for all variables and public trust. Conclusions. Based on the analysis described above, the result or both contraction is obtained. In the term of transparency indicator in the initial phase are found. However, there is only 3 that have the highest or fixed quality indicator in a government because they match the loading criteria factor 0.5. The values are VPS1, VT1, VT5, VTRS1, VTRS5, and VP4 responsive, so the government service must decide to meet public needs and problems. For example, the Prima website must respond to each of the comments posted by poor people and other stakeholders. In addition, people can get message or feedback automatically about a brief overview of service. Then they know whether or not text or their transactions go well and correctly. Communication indicators are one of the important factors in Indonesia. This paper presents the importance of digital to the public through security and privacy, transparency, trust, and participation. Indonesia from perspective of security and privacy, transparency, trust, and participation. A model was developed by reviewing previous research of Syrian Kemenkes government public service. This model is validated using SAM based on survey data collected at RSMH Palembang, Indonesia. The study concluded a digital service for the community improved through security and privacy, transparency, trust, and participation. Security and privacy are determined by data provided for a service is used only for the intended reasons. Transparency is determined by form, and digital service can be subsequently. And digital service page are download and loaded correctly. Trust and determined by providing accurate information and introductions and or data filling information in this digital service is sufficient. Participant is determined by helpdesk. Okay, this is the end of our presentations. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.